Another race, which ended about an hour ago, saw 6 teams from Singapore and Malaysia taking part.
The competitors spent 24 hours chasing some elusive winged creatures.
Bird watching in modern Singapore isn't the easiest thing to do, but competitors in the Great Bird Race had to spot as many species as possible. From dawn, they were at the Sime Road Forest to find birds like this tiger shrike. Often, it's the unique call of the bird that gives its hiding place away. And another indication, the distinctive nest it builds. To get a good score, the teams must know the best bird-watching spots in Singapore. And one very popular haunt for these nature lovers is the Senoko Pond in Sembawang. Here, marsh and rural birds abound, like these egrets which gleam against the greenery. The event aims to raise funds to help set up more sanctuaries where the birds can thrive undisturbed, except for the occasional intruder. And with the efforts of the bird watchers, there's hope that such birds will continue to grace our skies for a long time to come.